Let me open this one, Excel sheet, configuration sheet, and we are discussing FISD integration, right? So SD, which is we are like going through for the sales order process, right? For the sales order, um, all the sales order process transactions comes from the SD model. So FISD integration we are discussing, right? And um, so again, sales order belongs to sales SD module, and SD consultant will define all the configuration settings. But wherever the account related settings need to be done together, both you and as well as your immediate SD module consultant. Okay, together you have to discuss with your client, business client, to get all the details. But at high level, all the all the configuration settings will be defined by the SD consultant. Especially account determination settings will be done by us, FICO consultant. So where are we now? FISD, okay, FISD integration, FI financial accounting, sales and distribution integration. So now, so what are the configurations required for creating sales orders from the SD side? So even SD also will have certain configuration units settings, configuration settings, organizational settings. So they will also define like a sales organization, distribution channel, division. So the three together called sales area. Sales area is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Sales organization, what is the definition? It will consider all sales related activities, right? So all sales related activities will be under sales organization. Sales organization is a unit, will take care of all sales related activities. Distribution channel, how you are distributing the goods, either by wholesale or retail or direct selling. Okay. And division again depends, if you have different divisions, will be defined accordingly as per the business requirement. So again, these units will be of course these settings will be assigned to the company code and as well as sales organization. Okay, so I see the same steps: sales organization to the company code, and distribution channel to the sales organization, and division to the sales organization, and set up sales area. So all these settings we already seen. Of course, we had seen even business area account assignment, and also we had seen assign business area plant and division at the plant and business level, sorry, the plant and division level. So we defined a shipping point, also defined the loading points as well. Shipping point where the goods, I mean shipping point where you're distributing the, where you're picking the goods, right? So it's called shipping point. Loading points, you're loading the into the vehicle, right? You are loading and unloading the vehicles. Assign shipping point to the plant. Of course, we need to assign shipping point to the plant. We already did this one. Assign sales area. Basically, your sales area, your sales organization, distribution or division, you are assigning to the sales document types. So SAP already provided standard document types. We are using this one, OR, which is standard sales order. Okay, standard order. Like this, SD consultants will define different document types. Okay, so here we assigned all the settings. We have defined, right, all the settings. Determined partner functions. In the partner functions, mainly why we have partner functions. So when you're selling the goods to the customer, that customer might be um, see, you might send bill to some other customer. Okay, you might send goods to the some other customer, I mean same customer only, but sending bill to one party, one sending goods to one party, and what do you say, sending your and one party will send amount to you. Okay, so all those partner functions will be defined here, and it will be assigned accordingly. So that is there. Pricing procedure, SD consultant will define as per the business requirements. This business under pricing procedure, you will have different conditions. One condition might be related to rebate, one condition might be related to discount. Okay, so you have different sales related condition types. Okay, all those condition types will be assigned under pricing procedure. So this one definitely it will be done by SD consultant, but you should also know what condition type they are defining it. Okay, because from the accounting perspective, we need to understand it, what values are they getting triggered from the SD to FI module. So we need to understand this area as well. But this, the responsible, definitely the configuration and getting the requirement, everything will be done by SD consultant. But you should also know that determination of pricing procedure. Of course, have we defined this one? Anyone remember? I think we have defined all this, right? Any question? Let me check from here, otherwise.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I just
v/08. I think let us check this one. v/08. So here RVA01 is a standard procedure, and we copied this one, I think. So these are the different conditions. Somewhere we copied, right? TA98 is a tracing procedure. I'm just checking for the what was the identification position. TA98. Okay, we define direct as a sales pricing process TA98. Under TA98, you will define, I mean, respective sales consultant will define all the respective condition types. In the this also works similarly like what we have defined for GST. I mean, tax procedure, right? Under tax procedure, you will have different conditions. Similarly, for pricing procedure, SD pricing procedure also will be defined by the respective consultants. Now come back here. After this, we define pricing procedure, then determination of pricing procedure OBKK. 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 So here position sales organization is a TA98. We have defined this one also, TA98 distribution channel TA and division also TA, and this is a document pricing procedure. We have considered the standard one, if I am not wrong. So documents, yeah, it is a standard one, and this is customer pricing procedure. This one we considered again the standard one, standard pricing procedure, and also we had given pricing procedure, our pricing procedure, and the description. And this is a main condition type for the price values. Come back, and what is the next one here? Define account assignment group for customer and materials. This is, I think, we have not defined. OVK8. Okay. Define account assignment group for customer and materials. If you look at here, there are two are there here. Okay, I'll put it like this. So materials, account assignment group for materials, and this will give some identification, the description, and save. Customer account group also will define one identification and will group, and this is very important because GL accounts will be assigned under VKOA. So these GL accounts will be derived based on these two conditions: material account assignment group and customer account assignment group. Okay, material account assignment group in the material master, customer account assignment group will be assigned in the customer master. We'll see that scenarios also. Now let us go to the OVK8. OVK8. So SAP already provided different revenues. Okay, account assignment group. So basically, account assignment group can be divided as per your business requirement. Maybe like local revenue, I mean domestic revenues, or foreign revenues, or affiliate revenues, or intercompany revenues. So will be defined differently. So we'll consider the standard one only, 0101 revenues as a domestic revenues. That was OVK8. This is was the for account assignment group for the customers. Okay, we have another transaction which is for materials also. Where is the OVK5? So go to the OVK5. OVK5. So here also we use the same thing, which is trading goods for material account assignment group. Okay. Or else we can use this one as finished product. Okay, 03 also can be used. What else? So these are already provided by standard SAP only. Set up storage location dependent shipping point determination. Shipping conditions, loading group, planned storage location, proposed shipping point, manual shipping point. Logistics execution, SPRO. Sorry, IMG, logistics execution. After that, what we have? Logistics execution, assign shipping points according to storage location. I think definitely under shipping, basic shipping functions. Shipping point and goods receipt location. See, assign shipping points according to storage location. We have it under shipping, under basic shipping functions, under that shipping point and goods receiving point determination. Under that we have this option, set up storage location dependent shipping point determination. So here assign shipping points according to storage location. This is important, otherwise system will not, I think we already defined it. Yeah, we already defined it, which is shipping condition 01 and loading group 01, which is a standard one only, and plant is TA98 and store location is SLFG. Okay, and this partner shipping point, manual shipping, so it's the same thing again, there is no difference, it's the same one. But anyhow, we defined one entry, that is mandatory, that we should have at least one entry over there. Next is assign shipping points OVL2 slash O OVL2. Have we defined here also? Position, okay, I can't see it here. We defined here also TA98. okay, shipping condition 01 and loading group also 0001, your plant TA98 and shipping point TA98 and manual shipping point TA98, everything is same. Okay, this also we have done. What else we have not done? Okay, I think from here we need to do. So I'm not assigning any GL accounts now, we'll see at the time of scenario postings. So here also, this also I'm not assigning anything. Creating finished good metal master. So here we need to define now one, we need to create one metal master for the finished good, for the finished product. Okay, because we are doing sales to the customer. So we are, do you think that we'll sell materials to the customers? No, right? We need to sell finished product. We manufactured the product and we are selling the product to the customer. So we need to create one finished product metal master. So for this again MM01 all the parameters need to be defined, but for this one we need material type for finished product, right? So go back to the OMS2. OMS2. What is OMS2, sir? Chari sir, you remember, right? So finished product default. So I'm just select this one. Click on copy. So what we have earlier, raw materials, right? What I'll do, I'll just make this one to finished product. Okay. So everything is same. Click on copy. So click on enter. Press enter. So this one product quantity value updating. So valuation, what is the valuation area? Ours is TN98 only. So select this value and quantity updating. Click on save. Click on continue. So this one we can change to our TN88. So what I am doing, I am just creating one material type where SAP already provided one finished product metal type. I am just copying the standard one. So here TA98. Select here, click on here, continue, come back. Clear, right? One step has been defined, one
Yes,
metal
sir.
type for the finished product. Now on the same step we have one more thing here, OMSK. You have to define one validation class also, OMSK. So here OMSK we have three steps here. One is account category reference. We already defined one account category reference as for what we have defined raw material. So this is your raw material account category reference. So we'll define the same thing as we'll take the new entries. We'll define what we have defined just now, material type
TAFG.
TAFG, right?
Yes.
And here also we'll make it as this is ACR, account category reference for finished product. Okay, what is ACR?
TA98.
What is ACR? Account category
Account
reference.
reference. Account category reference.
Okay, this is a setting that we need to define. So continue, and we need to define one valuation class here. Valuation class also required. So new entries, valuation class. So let us take RM FP, which is, sorry, not RM. We'll take the same thing, TA
FG.
FP. That's what we define, right? This also will take the same thing, TA FP. So basically you are creating valuation class and assigning it to the account category reference. So valuation class for TA98, that will be sufficient. Just now we defined, right? What was the
FG.
huh, FG? Sorry, TA FG.
FG.
Huh. Okay, I've defined with FG. Then this also we can create with FG only, right? Let us
Yes, yes.
delete it. So I missed it out. Validation class, new entries. See, we can create any identification, but better to keep it in sync so that you will remember. Otherwise, you will forget it. Just imagine I'm taking multiple classes. How many identifications I'll be creating it?
Yes, yes. So yesterday I created for three things: raw material, semi-finished goods,
Very good.
finished products.
Very good, sir. Metal type account category reference. Here we can position. What is the metal type we created? TA FG.
PAFG.
So here we need to assign this one only, right, sir?
Correct only.
TF. Again, I have
FG we
created
create.
it. Wait, sir. So I think metal type we created with FP finished product. Okay, I think this second character also I think we have defined with the
No, no,
TA
sir.
now.
Take one second position. You see, FG.
FG it will come. FG it will come, I think, because now we created with the TFG, na. That's fine.
Uh,
Anyhow, fine. Anyhow, metal both your valuation class and account character will be with the TFG and your metal type will be FP. Okay, it's no issues, but make sure that give only one identification so that you will remember. That's the reason. Okay, we already defined one. What we have done today, now we have created one metal type for the finished products and also we defined valuation class. Okay, now creation of customer master, but no, we have to define creation of metal master, finished product metal master. So how do we create mm01, and here you have something called mechanical engineering. Usually in the training system we use the same one as mechanical engineering. Metal type we defined just now, right? Ta, this one, right?
FG.
Okay, TFG. No, sir, I think we have defined this one only, sir. No, not sorry,
FP.
sorry, not that one.
FP. TAFP, sir. Then.
FP only, right?
Uh,
TAF. Have you used this one, TAFA, finished product default? We have
uh,
not changed any description, I think. Okay, let it be. And material. Okay, select views. What are the views we need to select here? What are the important? Because we are like processing SD transactions, so definitely sales related views need to be there here. So FG select views, organization levels, plant, sales organization, distribution channel. Okay, these things will make it. That's fine. And metal UN, unit of measurement, metal group 00104, general item account group, availability check. Everything looks like same only. I don't see anything. Gross weight, weight group on pallets, loading group. Okay, I don't see anything, and that's fine. Looks like everything is same, but we'll use this one. Okay, sales related. I'm not giving anything else. I'm not ignoring the purchasing related. Let us give
MRP.
this also. MRP is not required, but as you mentioned, we'll give those also. So here a default setting and continue. So here system is expecting plant. Our plant is TN98, and what is the storage location we define? Anyone remember?
PASL. Guessing.
ML MNOPQRST, right? Here we have SL Fiji. Okay, storage location for finished goods. And the sales organization, what we have used the same thing as TA98, and also distribution channel we defined as TA. Is that correct? No. Okay, click on continue. Now I can see the finished finished product finished product for, of course, ours is a TA98, and the base unit of measure will give the same thing. Old metal number. Oh my god, someone has made mandatory to this field, sir. What is old metal number? Don't know. Even I'm seeing the first time. Let us give something. No, I don't think this will, his this is coming F4 entry. No, right? I don't think so. Division. I think TA only. Division. Okay. Division for TA. Anything else? Metal group. Let us take this one also. Metal group as a standard one. Metal 01. Gross weight. I don't think this is really required, but we'll see. Basic data too. Mhm. This is not required. Come back to the sales charge division, sales organization, distribution channel. Just make sure that your sales organization, your relevant distribution channel, your relevant division. These three are very important for processing the sales order. Okay. And so material group, cash discount, kg. This is okay. We have sales related when you are selling goods to the customers. Definitely, if you want to do some tax classifications, yes. So not sure exemption or live for it available applicable for a tax, or else for time being what I'll do, I'll just ignore this one. We'll see if it is later stage. If it is not working, then we'll rectify the error first. Sales to it's mandatory, sir. I can't ignore. Expected, but this is not ours. Okay, maintained bin data and sales charge to here. See here, account assignment group. This is what defined. This is important again for deriving the account. It is required. So in Metal Master, you can see one account assignment group. Let us take 01 standard one account assignment group for materials in the Metal Master under sales charge tab. So this is very important. It's an interview question. So in the Metal Master under sales charge, this is your Metal Master. This is your account assignment group. For the different materials, you may have different account assignment group, right? In that case, what system will do? It will consider the relevant account assignment group. Okay. So general. Okay. Let me go to the sales charge to once. Profit center. Please assign material 99 plant here to profit center. Okay, it is asking to profit center to be assigned. That is fine. Assigned profit center. Here sales plant. Availability check. KP no check here. Defining no check. Profit center we already defined. MRP 1. Metal requirement planning. All these are not required. You can ignore. MRP type ND. Just check only for the required fields. That's it. Accounting 1. Where is that one? Now, so its system is automatically picking your TAFG, okay, valuation class, because we assigned valuation class to the account category reference and material type. So system is picking accordingly here, and this is transactional based, and your usually in the real-time business process, always your finished product will be with your standard price, not with the moving average price which is used for materials, and the standard price which is used for finished products. Okay, just remember this standard price. I'm giving something 200 here. Let us press enter if the values are updating. Yes, it is updating. 85 something, $85.56. It should be very less value. Someone has defined 100 rupees is equal to $85. That's okay. Accounting 2 is not required. That is okay, fine. Click on save. Material, display. plant TA98 is also SLFG. This is not required. This one, this is your TA98. This is your TA default setting, so this will remain as it is every time, it won't change. So see, I'll just mention the import parameters. Okay, make sure that your division is relevant one, sales area related, and under sales charge one, this is important again, your division, and as well as your under sales charge, your account assignment group, trading goods. Slash O V K O A. I'll just to show what is the importance of this account assignment group. So SAP has provided assign GL accounts based on the different combinations. If you take the first combination, customer account groups, if you look at, okay, this is your application, you have different applications, but usually we use V. So sales and distribution, we'll be working on the different application like sales and distribution. Here two different condition types are there, KOFI and KOFK, account determination with the CO, account determination without CO determination, and chart of account. From here this is important, just ignore the first two fields, but this is important where your relevant chart of accounts will come into picture, your relevant sales organization. These two, one is account assignment group for customer, one is account assignment group for material. So here we will assigning that material account assignment group. Under material master we assign the trading goods. So system based on this account assignment group for material and based on your account assignment group for customer and your other parameters, system will pick the GL account accordingly. Okay, so if you look at here, we have both here, account assignment group group for customer and material. This is your account key. Under condition type we assign the account keys for the GL accounts. And if you look at the second condition, there is no material account assignment group here. Here we have only one account assignment group for customer. There is no material account assignment group. In the next combination, you can see only material group, no customer account assignment group. So what system will do, system will check. So when you process the transactions, sales order transaction, system will check which is the right combination to get the GL account. If the right combination is fulfilling, then system will pick the GL account from this combination or from this combination. If the system is not able to find customer group or a metal account group, it will pick from the account key combination. Okay, so system, so this is called FISD integration will take place in VKOA transaction, and GL accounts will be determined based on the access sequence. It will check for the access, which GL account, which combination I can derive the GL accounts. Okay, now come back. So this is very important one, this one, and make sure your sales organization, distribution channel and the division is maintained. Okay, in another screen, sales work stream, and important is your accounting one tab. Why this is jumping? So here your valuation class should be there, because we are going to assign GL account to this valuation class, and your standard price, you have to give the standard price, because for all the finished products we'll be giving standard price, not moving average price. Moving average price will be defined for raw materials, raw material, semi-finished good material, not for the finished good. Okay, so we have defined account assignment group for materials, not for the customers. So in the customers master, you will see account assignment group for customer. So we have defined one finished good material. Let us define, we already have customer master. Let us assign all these parameters like sales source, distribution channel, division, sales area tab, probability order one, probability order probability, delivery priority high, shipping conditions. We'll see what is this one, delivery plant, Inco terms, AF terms of payment, account assignment group. Yeah, account assignment group you have to define for customer here. Okay, and your partner functions. Let us see what happens in your customer master. Do we have customer masters, right? We have, right, at least one customer. This is a first time, right? It will be little tricky for you, but when you start practicing it, you will understand. Company code is TA98. So we have one customer called HCL Tech. Okay, we'll use this customer master. Control C, and what I'll do, /O XD02 I mean BP also we can use. So it is triggering directly to the okay. So customer, I'll give like this, click on continue. It will take you to the BP transaction. No worries. So here we have customer master. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the, let us go to the, so this is your role. BP role is for the FI. So let me check FI related. We already have FI related for the company code, all these details. Now I want to define customer sales and distribution customer FLCU01. So basically we are extending our customer to this sales and sales organization related role, which is FLCU01. This is another role for SD part. This is for FI part. Okay. So if you know accounts payable, accounts receivable is very easy. Now if you, when I selected this role, system automatically triggering your sales and it is showing, it's enabling your sales and distribution option here. So click on sales and distribution option here. Now this customer is relevant for sales related activities. Sales organization we had given TA98, and the sales distribution channel we had given TA, and also we had given division as TA. Just correct me if I am wrong. Okay, if any identifications, if I give me something wrong identifications here. Also here all these are not required. So this is what it was saying in the Excel sheet. Currency is fine. Here you can see pricing and statistics. See here. Okay, I see only this one, which is customer pricing procedure. We already have, I already given somewhere standard one, right? We'll give the same standard. And shipping delivery priority 01, delivery plant we had given as TA98, shipping conditions we had given 01. Go to the billing, Incoterms, somewhere I've seen CIF. What is the CF here? Let us check. Now here we don't have anything. Think here you should have some Incoterms as a CIF, which is cost and freight, cost, insurance and freight related expenses. It is applicable. That's what it means. And terms of payment, of course, I'm just giving 0001, which is payment immediately. Here you can see accounting, account assignment group for customer. Okay, account assign group for customer. I'm giving as a domestic revenues, partner functions. So here building, why it is showing as okay, some description. Incoterms location one ID. Some, go to the partner functions. SP, SH, ship to party, bill to party, and party from which we are using the. Can give the same number here. Control C, Control V, Control V. Here also Control V and Control V. In our case, it is the same number. In case if you are receiving, if you are sending goods to some other person, okay, then you have to give respective BP number. If you are receiving some bill, I mean basically if you are receiving payment from other customer, then you have to give another business partner. So basically it might be different, right? Chari, you are purchasing goods from me, but I am not going to deliver goods to you. I am sending goods to some other person because you already told me send goods to some other person instead of sending me to me. So in that case, ship to party and bill to party will be different. Okay, sold to party and bill to party will be different. So we are going to assign different partner functions here. So anything else we left? Click on save. Okay, changes have been saved successfully. So let us revise one more time. So what I have done, I have just changed the customer master to enable BP role for customer. When I selected this role, system will enable what it will enable, your relevant sales organization. So sales organization tab will enable here. So after selecting the sales organization tab, you can see these tabs and as well as these parameters. Sales area, you have to give sales area, and also under orders, just make sure that you have. So I'm not sure whether this will get impacted really or not. Give 100% as order probability, and the currency INR, And can you see customer pricing procedure? You can give standard, which is 0 1 1. Here you can, do we have any other fields down? No, right? Shipping, under shipping I'm just giving shipping condition as 0 1 and delivery plan as TA98 and also priority as 1. I don't see anything. Under billing, just make sure the interview question again, where you maintain account assignment for customer. So you should mention that under customer BP role, under billing tab we need to maintain account assignment group for customer. So again the combinations, partner functions, of course we maintain all the partner functions here. This is what we are maintaining, the sales and distribution customer master data details. Sir, any questions on the master data? Is it clear?
No, sir. No questions.
What happened? No one is listening, huh? No response. Why, guys? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you there or not? You are following me or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We are
I
following
heard your
you.
voice. Okay, so can you send me some message? I'm not able to hear your voice. But you are able to hear my voice, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. If you're able to listen, then that's good. Open queue. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, so I don't know why I'm not able to listen the voice from you. Okay, let it be. I'll go back to the screen now here. Let us go to the next step. So we have defined both the finished good material and also we extended sales organization to the customer master. Okay. So here customer master we already changed it. Creation of condition record. So condition type we have to define some values here for the this condition type. So let us go to the week 11 transaction. So slash n vk11 condition type PR00 presenter customer master. So you have different key combinations, customer material with release status, continue, not sure. We'll see. We have material, right? We created one material. Where is that material? I think I've closed it. MM03. So this is our material, right? So control C. These options, okay? These options will be done by SD team only, okay? Under condition type. So they'll define different combinations. These combinations will be defined by, basically they'll use some action sequence. Okay, so they will define the different combinations. Here we can see the different combinations here. So we'll be using the standard customer material with release status. So here I'm going to maintain the material, and this is your sales organization distribution channel. What is this one? Processing status. Amount I'm going to give. So what we have done in the middle master, in the finished product middle master, we had given as 100. Here I'll give something different amount to 200. We'll see which one it will pick. Unit INR, this is your pricing per unit, I'll give as 1. And unit of measurement will give something kg here. This is your calculation type, this is your validation, I mean basically from which date it is valid. So I'll just give the complete financial year from 2025. This is your 31 12 9999. Okay, click on save. Condition record saved. So you can condition record display, you can see the execute. So sales organization, distribution channel, customer master, metal. This combination we have the price for this metal is 200 rupees. Okay, for 1 kg. So we maintained one condition record also. Let us now, we already have condition record, that's fine. Finished product GL master will define. Okay, assignment of finished goods for automatic posting OBYC. Okay, now do we have stock? Do we have stock for the finished product? No, right? We don't have any stock. So if you go and check your metal master, we don't have any stock here, metal master. And if you look at here, so accounting 1 tab, I don't see any stock here. Total stock is 0, but we need some stock, right? Initially, say for example, during implementation, you are like moving your system from Oracle applications to SAP system. So initially you have to load the data also in initial stock upload. That is called initial stock upload. So for the initial stock upload, usually you'll be using some standard programs like LS and Blue or LS and W, or like migrate your data application. So you'll have a number of applications, okay, for migrating the data. Now we have one transaction code. For a time being, we can use this transaction code to load the data for at least for one material. So we'll be using different movement type: plant, storage location, enter for material. So we are using this transaction code for uploading the initial finished good product data. So MB1C or MyGo, not sure this works or not, but we'll see. Slash O MB1C, yeah. So MB1C is absolute. So there is SAP already removed this MB1C. You can delete this one. If this is not required, then we'll delete it. No need to confuse here. So let us use MyGo transaction. MyGo. Here we'll use MyGo here. So definitely you should have goods receipt against your others. Initial entry of stock balances. See here, it came automatically 561. So we are using different movement type, which is 561 is nothing but your initial stock upload. $561, many are there. I am using only this one, receipt per initial entry of stock balances into unrestricted use. So use 561, the blank one. So here document date, posting date. So material, we already have material, just now we created, right, which is this one. Control C, and let us consider good receipt here. Okay, let us check, press enter. So we have this one. Go scroll down and click on quantity. Let us get quantity for where, to which location. Plant is TN98, and also your storage location, I don't remember. Anyone can tell me what is the storage location? Okay, so this one SLFG. Okay, store location for finished goods, and the text is so goods receipt or initial stock upload. Better initial. See, I think I already mentioned here, initial stock upload. So all these points are required. Click on partner, nothing is there here. Okay, now click on check. So posting only possible in periods to 2025-07. So this consultant will, what they will do, they will open the periods 7 and 6. What is 7 and 6? April, May, June, July, August, September. So October is possible, November is not possible. If you're getting this message, you can just open particularly. Okay, this transaction will be used by PV. Okay, we have one more transaction, RV is the transaction code where we can see the what is your current period for materials. So your current period is 7, which is nothing but your October period. Now we are in November period system. That's the reason it is asking you to open the November period. So how do you open the November period? /O PV. So here we can just select your what do you say, TN98 company code. Just give the TN98 also here, TN98, and enter next period or relevant date, but not both. Eighth period, right? 08 2025. So you're basically you're closing the previous period, opening the next period. This means you're closing the previous period and opening the next period. Check and close period. click on execute, period closing complete, log issued. Okay, this is fine, we are done. So let us check the previous transaction whether it got opened or not to 8th period. 8th period should get opened, 8th period is opened. Okay, now we have opened 8th period also, nothing much over there, just executing the transaction. Now come back here, now system should allow that, check again. Now you can see account determination for entry TA98 GBB BS. So GBB is your offsetting for inventory postings. In this GBB we had assigned at the time of goods issue for the cost center we assigned VBR, right? So under GBB transaction key we need to assign BSA. BSA is used for initial stock upload with the TAFG. So what we should do, we should go to the OBYC transaction where we assign the GL accounts. OBYC. Here we have to go to the GBB. Okay. Here chart of accounts is TA98, and here what we need, BSA, and what is the validation class we defined for the metal master? TA. Think I am not able to hear your voice, but that's fine. Let me check here. This one, validation class for the TA98. Okay, and account. Now we need one inventory one initial stock upload account. So initial stock upload account, it's inventory account again. So create one more GL account for this one. We'll see FS00. Initial stock upload, definitely we can copy this one. I want to create with 1014. Okay, inventory raw material, sorry, you have to change this one to initial inventory. Upload account. Okay, control data, all the other parameters are fine, no need to change anything. Click on save. So 1014. So 1014, go back to the configuration, give 1014, press enter, click on save, continue. So go back to the error mode again, click on continue. Now click on check, document is okay. Okay, now click on post. Definitely you will see one more error here. Account determination for entry TA98 BSX. I don't see some hyphens or TAFG. Not possible. So what we should do? We should go to the configuration, because one side of account we already given here. So your what is another side of account? BSX. You are receiving the goods, right? Where is BSX? This one. So you have to give RM. Sorry, what is your valuation class? TAFG. Your select your, we don't have finished good material now. So where is raw material? Click on copy, click on continue. Sorry, next is 15. Okay, so come back here, create one this is not raw material, this is inventory finished goods FG, and this is your inventory FG, finished good material it is. Click on save. I want to keep it as it is 1015. Go back to the configuration 1015. Click on save. We'll see 1000 same, and here go back to the error mode. Click on continue. Click on check. Click on post. Yep. So material document got posted. What is the accounting entry? We should see that one. So here we can just select your display. Now click on execute. This is your material document, the initial stock upload account, right? Go to the document information, click on FI documents, and you can see accounting document here, and the metal ledger also is getting updated. So inventory initial stock upload account is getting credited, and you are receiving finished goods, right? Your inventory finished goods, you are debiting the inventory finished goods. Debit your finished good inventory and credit your initial stock upload account. So this value is coming from the, from where this value is speaking? This value is speaking from your uh, uh, condition record for this material. Okay, condition record, not from the metal master. It is speaking from the condition record, price condition record. Is it okay, sir? Is that clear, guys? So debiting your inventory finished good and initial stock upload account. If you want to see, you can see the transaction keys. Transaction. This is a transaction key. Transaction. So click on continue here. You can see this account is coming from BSX transaction key from the OBYC transaction. This transaction is coming from the GBB, but under GBB we have one more called BSA. BSA is used for initial stock upload. Okay, this is what we have. So both GL accounts are assigned in the respective transaction keys. I hope this is clear. Okay, for getting to post the, I mean, initially we are facing that issue error, right? I mean, metal master is not open for this date. So what are the errors we faced, sir, while posting this one? If we have to GL account assignments, GL account determination for both inventory account and initial stock upload account. And also we opened period for the metal master. Okay, and that is fine. Okay, now go back to the metal master. We'll see whether we have that one or not.
Sir,
Metal master
update
stock. This stock should get
period
updated.
opening, sir.
Come back
Period opening code.
and click on continue. So here you can do the same thing. Go to the accounting one tab and see the stock value. Yes, our stock value updated 4, and just make sure that 4 is valid. So total stock is 4, and this is a standard price, but your inventory value is 4 because we are considering from the condition record, not from the standard price. So standard price, we'll see how it will impact at the time of sales order process. So as of now, your this we initial stock upload is happened with 4 stock, which is 4, and the condition record we maintained as 200. No. In the condition record we maintained as 200, right? Can we check that quickly? Even I forgotten. Slash O VK 13. It's a display condition record. Okay, let me check once. Execute it. So here we maintain 200. So ignore this one. Then I mean it's speaking from your standard price, not condition record value. So 100 into 4, 400. That's it. In the metal master only then, not from the condition type. Okay, initial stock upload picking from the metal master only. So yeah, even I got the confused. So basically go to the accounting entry. So initial stock upload. Okay, initial stock upload we have in the metal master only, we have the price. So initial, okay, got it. So basically it is picking from the metal master. 100 into 4, 400. Now we need to process the sales order process. Okay, we'll see later after some time. Posting of sales order, all this we'll see. I'll stop this recording.